AVCiT Electronics. AVCiT specializes in display console control since 2006. AVCiT assists Army to set up Joint Operations Center for mission-critical tasks. We build Information Command Center for Armed Police, which is normative system. We work on playing the leading role of intelligence information and technique for Police Joint Operation Command Center. We are committed to establishing an efficient, transparent, and unblocked information system for state-grade operations center. Provide support for monitoring, analyzing, detecting status, and incident system repairing. Make procuratorate and court to be smart and informationalized. Build consultation platform for disaster prevention authority. Establish informationalized system for custom. Build a taxation system for National Tax Bureau. Meanwhile, innovations are made in education, media, etc. More value are created for varieties of industry. This is AVCiT. According to experience, all the great is from the subtle dedication. Therefore, we established unique project process management system. Manage project by information system and build rapid feedback line for your requirement. Custom-made solution according to dedicated requirement. It is our attitude to innovate and our continuous impetus to focus. We are an energetic and creative team. Idea collision gives us more inspiration. Improve product by continuous R&D and lead AV industry developing. Focus on quality, automatic QC in whole production process by most advanced production line. Transform manufacturing to intelligent creation and make it happen. Every product will be checked automatically by AOI. Three, Marketing Center. Over 20 offices in China. Sales and service network is around the world. We are on the way to be leading brand in Pro AV and KVM control industry. Be a sincere practitioner always. Leading brand of VGU wall and KVM solution for command center. AVCiT Electronics.